Operations on algebraic expressions. Let us discuss about addition of polynomials. Already we discussed the addition of polynomials by using column method in part 1. Now we will discuss about addition of polynomials using horizontal method. See, consider the expression 5x plus 3y minus 8z plus 2y minus 3x plus 5x plus z minus 7y minus 2x. This is an expression. First you have to simplify this expression. What are the steps followed here? You have to follow the steps here. First arrange the like terms together. Arrange the like terms together. Arrange the like terms together. Now we have 5x. What is the like term to the 5x here? Minus 3x and plus 5x minus 2x. These are the like terms. Next, what are the another like terms? So consider the variable y. What are the like terms here? Plus 3y plus 2y minus 7y. These are the like terms here. Next, another variable is z. Find the like terms to the variable z. That is equal to plus minus 8z plus z. Okay, these are the like terms in z. Now add the numerical coefficients. 5 minus 3 plus 5 minus 2 into x, and here we have to add the numerical coefficients. 3 plus 2 minus 7 into y, and here we have to the numerical coefficient minus 8 plus 1. Here the numerical coefficient is 1 into z. That implies 5 minus 3, 2. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 minus 2, 5. Another way we can see, first you have to add positive terms. 5 plus 5, 10. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 5. That means 10 minus 5, 5. Into x, 5x. Plus, add positive terms. 3 plus 2, that is plus 5 minus 7. That is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 into y plus minus 8 plus 1, that is equal to minus 7 into z. Then you have to remove the brackets. Plus into minus, minus 2y plus into minus, minus 7z. This is a simplification form of the given expression. In this way we can simplify the given expression.